And welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really quick unboxing for you guys. I ordered a keychain or bag charm to go with my Neverfull. I got it from the same lady I got the bag from, BagBrokerz. So I'll be sure to link her information below, but check her out on Instagram as well as BagBrokerz, BagBrokerz. So anyway, let me show you what I got. And she finds great things. I have her looking for one more thing for me, and then I am done. So, okay. Cute little thank you note. Thanks for being such a fabulous BagBrokerz babe. Can't wait for you to have your Gucci. So she found my Gucci I wanted, and that'll be coming in the future. I have to do payments. So, all right, thanks, Lauren. And here it is, and it comes in its own dust bag. Oh, wow. That is super duper cute. Love it. Okay. See if you can see, guys. I don't know. It's a real tiny. I don't think it's going to focus. Okay. But anyway, I'm still admiring. That's the only thing about an unboxing. I want to admire for myself, but I know I have to show you guys. All right. So, anyway, guys, I love it. Thanks again, Lauren from BagBrokerz. Be sure to check out her page and information and website. Like I said, I'll link it below for you guys. All right. Good night.